Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ford F-250 in an XL trim and powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you do have spacious seating for 3 with a vinyl interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And you have the rubber flooring, so no need to worry about a dirty carpet. You have 2 cup holders back here, as well as a 12-volt power outlet. And being that this is an XL, you have manual everything, manual locks, manual mirrors, manual seat, all of that. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 89,902 kilometers. And moving down to your steering wheel, on the left-hand side, you have your controls for your little center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, trip mileage, trip timer, distance to empty, fuel economy. Then you can go into your trip 2 settings and information as well as your fuel economy separately, driver assistance settings and features, and then settings in general for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to your center, your Infotainment Center, which is radio and auxiliary capable, so you can listen to some of your own stuff, whatever you want. Above that, you have your traction control shut off, your hazards, and moving down, you have your climate controls, pretty simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your locking rear differential, and below that, a little cubby. And on the right, you have 2 12-volt power outlets, as well as moving down, you have another 12-volt right there with your auxiliary, little cubby there, and another little shelf here as well, so you can put some stuff there. You do have your 4x4 shifter down here on the floor of the vehicle. And then moving on to your center, your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. You just have some indentations from the seat belt, but those will come out. And then underneath that, you have a lockable compartment for even more space with some flip out cup holders like so you can have some drinks while this seat is folded up, or 4 in total if you're feeling wild. And then last but not least, you do have 6 upfitter switches up here, which can be wired up however you please, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.